name is Mama Ashraf Roslan and I'm 23 years old. I was graduated with diploma in Islamic Study at International Islamic University College Selangor in 2017 and I'm currently study degree at National University of Malaysia.
During my time in university, I was the EXCO Plan and Strategy in Persatuan Mahasiswa Syariah, which besides learning to accept responsibility and managing time, learn me how to work as a team, make a program run smoothly, and to be important to prove leadership.
Why you should hire me? I am confident, hardworking, and keep climbing. I am easy to train and keen on taking new experience. Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel. Too easy. If you interest me, just call me.